Hello everyone, welcome to my Filipino adventure. And tonight I'm here in Barangay Daog Plaza. You've been seeing the stall behind me. They are rented property of my big bro. So they are renting for 3 days because no, it's not 3 days, but our festival is 3 days. A mango shake with choco on top. Ha? Sa April. Bago lang to din nagpuli. Sige, babus. Mango shake. Paliti ko. Buy for me. Mango shake and choco on top for 5 peso. Hi. Ari lang oh. Dali ah. Hindi ko. Yeah, so this stall they are rented for my big brother property. I think mom said they are renting for 2,000. Sa package deal, 2,000 all for a couple of days. But they are here earlier. Our festival is only in this January 17, 16, and 18. They came here earlier, so they are renting for only 2,000. I'm not sure if that's good because they are talking that they are only here for 3 days. I am looking for a nose ring. I want to put a nose ring.
Ngutang naman ko dire. No, i-minus yung sa inyo dire abang.
Nami sa iya. Muka.
Asdilan gay lang ngutang yung bigan dire.
And I buy an earrings. Look at that earrings.
Wow, it's nice.
Isn't it nice?
Okay, mami ng kwarta. Okay, mami ng kwarta. Ang kwarta daw.
They are playing a basketball.
Wala, meron na nila mag-golsa. There's also 90 to shoot. Dito rin. Kita.
Sigado mo din dyan.
Wala. Golsa, bakit mo golsa? Tula. Yes, bakit mo tula?
Marco, say hi.
Marco, say hi. Ano yung mama ina? Hi, mama ina, hi.
Oh, very good.
Tapos libing.
Sabi si Mabot yun?
Wednesday. Hindi, January 8. Wednesday ba ng January 8? March. Some shoes. Slipper. Clothes. Toys. Bags. Look at this dress. Ha? Sa April. Look at this dress. Wait. Sa April.
Gagawin daw na sa Babayta. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time.
Oh.
Grijaldo. Wala, walang saro. Baka magputaro ba kayo saro? Pero na ito Ortiga. Ortiga black by Tuta. Wala, ano ba nito ba? Yes, bakit ba Tuta?
Hi. Yes, a gun. Look at that gun. It seems same like your silicone gun. Mother is talking to the people who rent here. I don't know.
Kalau